Now I'll take you into deep relaxation. At the count of 10 to 1, you will go deep. At the count of 1 to 5, I will get you out of this relaxation, feeling wide awake, feeling healthy than before. 10. Feel deeper. 9. 8. Concentrate on your breathing. 7. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. 1. Now you're completely relaxed. Feel how relaxed you are. Relax your scalp. Feel how relaxed they are. Relax your forehead. Feel how relaxed they are. Relax your eyes muscles. Feel how relaxed they are. Relax your face muscles. Feel how relaxed they are. Relax your throat. Feel how relaxed they are. Relax your shoulders. Feel how relaxed they are. Relax your upper back. Feel how relaxed they are. Relax your lower back. Feel how relaxed they are. Relax your spinal cord. Feel how relaxed they are. Relax your chest. Feel how relaxed they are. Relax your stomach. Feel how relaxed they are. Relax your thighs. Relax your thighs muscles. Feel how relaxed they are. Relax your knees. Feel how relaxed they are. Relax your calf muscles. Feel how relaxed they are. Relax your sole of the feet. Feel how relaxed they are. Now you are completely relaxed from top to sole of your feet. You are totally relaxed. You are feeling lighter. All your tensions, all your pressures is completely gone. You are feeling amazing. You are feeling lighter. Now I will be quiet for some time. Be in the present moment. When you next hear my voice, I'll get you out of this relaxation at the count of 1 to 5. Feel relaxed. Now I will be quiet. Hear the sound of the birds. Hear the surroundings which is going around you. Hear the voice. Now I'll get you out of this relaxation at the count of 1 to 5. 1, 2, 3. At the count of 5, you'll come out of this relaxation feeling wide awake, feeling healthy than before. 4, 5. Eyes open, feeling wide awake, feeling healthy than before.